Hello guys! Compare ko lang yung ating sili from snail method tsaka yung regular planting. Sa regular planting, we only have 1 chili peppers growing. Both sowed paper towel method at first and then planted it on this one. So, ayan. Ang nag-germinate sa ating, because I have a hard time here in Canada, magpatubo ng sili, guys. So, ang nag-germinate sa ating sili is, sa snail method, 2. Tapos, sa ating regular method, 1. Pero, galing yan siya sa ref, guys. So, I'm not really sure kung 100% yung germination rate. So, ayan guys. Yan ang update.